Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! In this vlog, I will give you a tour of BAS De ATAYANA. BAS De ATAYANA is a delightful blend of nature, education, and Instagram-ready fun, making it a top choice for those exploring Kintamani. Whether you're sipping luwak coffee, posing on the giant swing, or simply soaking in the green vistas, it's a serene yet memorable stop on any Bali itinerary. They cultivate various types of coffee on the plantation and provide brief descriptions of each, including varieties like vanilla coffee and Arabica. One of the highlights of the visit is learning about Bali Luwak, also known as civet coffee, one of the rarest and most expensive coffees in the world. They demonstrate the traditional luwak coffee-making process at the plantation, and you can also enjoy a freshly brewed cup of luwak coffee for around 60,000 Indonesian rupiah. Preparation can luwak coffee took close to 5 minutes. Luwak coffee is best enjoyed black, without milk or sugar, to appreciate its naturally smooth, low-acid flavor. Sip slowly and savor its earthy, nutty, and chocolatey notes. After enjoying a sip of luwak coffee, you can purchase some to take home and capture stunning Instagram-worthy photos amidst the lush greenery.
Take you there, back to where we